Hey everyone, nice to meet you. In this video, we will introduce the latest module for agris, DJI Relay. Previously, flying over tall crops, trees, or hills might block the signal connection between the remote controller and the drone. Now, with DJI Relay and the latest firmware for T4T and T20P, we can solve this problem. Now, we will introduce how to use the DJI Relay. The first step is to pair the relay module with the drone. Short press and hold down the power button to turn on the relay. And wait for RC and UAV lights to turn red. This process will take around 10 seconds. And then, long press the power button again until the left RC lights turns green. Then we start the pairing mode. Then, we can go back to the remote controller side. Go to Device Management. Select Relay Module. Click Linking. When RC and UAV lights both turn green, the pairing is successful. You can use the PD protocol power bank to charge the relay if you need to work for a long time in the field. Second step is to find the installation spot for your relay module. The best location is a relatively high and central spot for your spraying area. This will ensure the signal coverage and connectivity for your drones. Third step is to mount the relay module. We provide a standard tripod connector for you to mount the relay module, but you need to use your own tripod or pole. You can buy or make the suitable pole and tripod based on your own terrain and crops. Please be noted that the relay module should be installed at least 2 meters higher than the crop canopy that you will spray. And especially for the safety, please do not use it outside under the thunderstorm weather. Now, all the preparation work is done. Let's test the signal connection. As we can see, the drone maintains a stable signal even when flying to the other side of the mountain feet and reaching the valley. That's all about the introduction to the DJI Relay. Hope you have a seamless and enjoyable experience using it. Thank you.